If you're looking to shrink your belly, start burning fat, and increase your metabolism, this video is for you. We'll explore how to increase your metabolic rate and clean up your digestive system. When your digestive system isn't working correctly, it affects your metabolic rate, leading to bloating and water retention. Our special elixir will have a synergistic effect to help increase your metabolic rate, aiding in weight loss. Key ingredients and their benefits. 1. Peppermint. Appetite suppressant. Known to help burn calories and boost digestion. Weight loss aid. Consumed daily, it aids in weight loss. Relaxant. Relieves anxiety and reduces stress hormone levels, helping you get a good night's sleep. 2. Cinnamon. Insulin sensitivity. Increases insulin sensitivity and decreases blood sugar, crucial for losing weight and controlling type 2 diabetes. Thermogenesis. The cinnamaldehyde oil stimulates the process of thermogenesis, burning off calories for energy. 3. Ginger. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, rich in compounds that aid in fat burning, carbohydrate digestion, and insulin secretion. Heart health. Reduces oxidative stress and lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. 4. Lemon. Water retention. Reduces symptoms like bloating and weight gain. Metabolism booster. Enhances mitochondrial function and induces thermogenesis, promoting satiety and fullness. 5. Honey. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Contains antioxidants that boost heart health and metabolism. Sleep aid. Slightly raises insulin levels, allowing tryptophan to enter the brain for deeper sleep. Recipe for the metabolism boosting elixir. Ingredients. 1 cup or mug, 8 to 12 oz of boiling water. 1 peppermint tea bag. 1.4 to 1.2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder. 1.4 to 1.2 teaspoon of ground ginger powder. Juice of 1.3 lemon. 1.2 to 1 teaspoon of natural raw honey, or a natural sweetener if necessary. Instructions. 1. Add the peppermint tea bag to the boiling water. 2. Stir in the cinnamon, ginger, and lemon juice. 3. Let the mixture steep for 5 to 6 minutes. 4. Add honey before drinking. Drink this elixir 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Expect to feel refreshed and less bloated in the morning. Additional tips for boosting metabolism. Diet. Maintain a healthy diet and cut out sugars. Hydration. Drink plenty of water. Exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, such as walking several times a week. Conclusion. I'm confident that within the first week, you'll experience great results. Please share this video with your friends and family, leave your comments below, and most importantly, make it a great day.